So that's about a cup of uncooked rice there. I've added extra egg, more protein, bacon, for extra flavor, a little bit more kind of protein and whatever. If you like that, you can add chunks of like roast pork if you want to. Taste it for seasoning because you might want to add more soy sauce, but it might be just as good as it is. You could add hot sauce. I use basmati rice. Basmati is lower GI, it's like got less starch content, it's a bit healthier for you. But you can use jasmine, you can use short grain, whatever you like. Whatever you like. I'm just showing you some quick meals that I do frequently to be able to feed and keep us nourished. Because I don't always feel like cooking, and I know you guys don't too, making things from complete scratch. So frozen veggies are incredible to have in the freezer. They don't go off, you just pull them out in a pinch. But you could substitute this for chopped up beans, carrots, peas, broccoli, water chestnuts, whatever you want as well. But a lot of the time, frozen fruit and veggies are healthier for you because they're picked right at the time that they're ripe and in season, and then they're flash frozen. Whereas by the time the fresh products, like broccoli for instance, it's picked, put on a truck, fruit refrigerated, and then transferred to the store. It sits in your fridge for a while as well. It's losing nutrients and it's deteriorating in quality the longer it sits there. So not only are frozen fruits and vegetables cheaper, they're actually more nutritional, have a higher nutritional value. And they're convenient too. So there you go. Molly fried rice. You could add heaps more veggies. We could add some peas in there too. Where's the peas? Everyone likes peas. Trader Joe's frozen veggies has the, yeah. These ones don't want to break off. And this is a fantastic meal. It's easily reheated if you're going into the office, you're busy. Transports really well. Great to make in bulk. I grew up in a family of 5, and we often had fried rice, stir fries, because I had 2 older brothers that ate a lot. My parents were working. Stir fries were easy to make and then feed a lot of people, but then also take for meals, lunches and stuff the next day. Minus the peas. You don't like the peas? Some people, it's like the quintessential thing for fried rice is to add peas. Look at that. Okay. But I did this fancier sauce for the stir fry, but with this I usually just use soy sauce, sesame oil, and chili sauce for a stir fry, for a fried rice. So, gotta wipe it because I'll get in trouble.